climbing out of Baker on the Forever Hill. It goes on forever.
It's kind of like trying to drive through Texas.
Or
Cities don't cost more than college. Watch out behind you.
all right.
So I'm glad I was sitting there. She would have fucking blown my doors off.
She's singing to herself. She's
got her
eating the
music
mushrooms.
She did. She was singing.
Hey, dude. Hey, Mom.
Man, that's white.
Okay. Let me try to get this show on the road.
Look at this road, folks. What a piece of...
Why does it, every time I stop it, it just gets more?
I think there's a glitch.
Look at the holes over here. Look at this. These are serious holes in the road. Oh my God. They filled them all with
Jeff's just
junk.
bouncing along there.
All the junk.
That scared me. I thought it was another cougar coming at me. No, that's okay. You don't have to tell me you're going to do it. It's that
Stay on the white line, Jeff. It's the only good spot in the whole course.
Look at that crap.
Look at this. They patch the holes and that stuff pops out. Now it's even worse. Oh, I mean, you hit one of those with a tire?
Well,
Oh my God.
we think we just talked him out of taking a nap, so we'll see what happens. He's going to the top and he's going to breeze on down. Keith called, revived his spirits. Thanks, Keith. Perfect timing.
Cooling down. 63.
All right, the top of... What hill is this? What are we coming up top to?
Kelso Pass?
Kelso Pass?
Yes.
Gotta frickin' walk it so bad. Oh no.
Oh, he threw
Baker, Kelso, profile.
You want some help, Jeff?
I got it.
You got it?
And there's
Idiot, but I got it.
and there's cow crossing tracks at the top of the hill. What an insult.
Insult to injury.
Who did this?
I don't know. There's the top.
Jeez.
Yes, that was my smooth
Throw a
shift into my
chain?
triple.
Did you throw? You should go to the granny gear. Got a guy behind you. Couple of guys.
Couple guys.
A lot of bumps here.
Oh, that's cool. They've got a...
Oh. We almost got run over by Raven.
There you go. Go ahead. He's all right. Car.
Jeez.
Whoa, that could be bad.
I had it all under the table. All right, here we go.
That's good.
All right.